Very good afternoons, dear children. How's you all? Hope all of you are healthy and safe at your homes. So let's start today's new lesson of your EVS subject, which is based on water topic. Okay, beta. All of you know that water is a very precious natural gift which is given to us by the Almighty God. Without water, we can't live. Means all the living beings they cannot survive without water. So let's start. What is water? So water, if we talk about water, water is a colorless and odorless substance which is found all over the earth. Water is made up of billions of molecules, and water on our planet Earth flows as liquid in rivers, streams, and oceans. Water is solid as ice at the north and south poles, and it is in the form of a gas in the atmosphere. Okay, water is also underground and inside plants and animals. Water is everywhere. Water is very important for life. We need water to drink, to wash our hands, to cook the food, to wash the clothes, to water plants, and many more other things. Water is usable. Water is the most abundant liquid on the earth's surface. It covers more than 70%. It covers more than 70% of the earth's surface. Let's talk about the rainwater, that which is the purest natural source of water. So, which is the purest source of water? That is the rain. Rainwater is the purest natural source of water. When it rains, some of the rainwater goes into the soil, and this is called underground water. Okay? Now, how we can get this underground water for our different purposes, like for our different purposes like cooking, drinking, washing, bathing, etc. So, we have to use these methods in order to get the underground water, that is well, bowli is also known as step well, and the hand pump. Okay, well, a well is a deep hole dug in the ground where underground water is easily available. Water is taken out from the well with the help of pulley. Okay, now you will ask a question that, ma'am, what is pulley? So pulley is a wheel with a grooved outer rim. Nowadays people also use electric pumps to draw out water from the tube wells का मतलब आपको पता होना चाहिए, it is ये होता है कुआं. Okay, next one is bauli. So what do you mean by bauli? It is also called a step well. In the past, rulers made water tanks. A tank that has steps on all its sides so that people can reach the water is called a step well. During past time, a baoli was not only a source of water, but it was also a place where community activities and religious ceremonies were held. Okay, children? The third means tool which we have to use to get the underground water, that is hand pump. So deep bores or holes, you can say, are dug into the earth to get underground water. Water is drawn by using a hand pump. Now, the next topic is supply of drinking water in a city. So how we can supply the water to the people who are living near the city areas or in the cities. The source of water supply in a city is usually a nearby lake or a river, and this river or lake water is unfit for drinking. So, before supplying this water to homes, it must be purified. अब उनको सिटी के लोगों के घरों तक पहुंचाने के लिए उनको पहले प्यूरिफाई करना पड़ता है, and this purification is carried out in water treatment plants. You see this picture of water treatment plant? This one picture, beta, a water treatment plant. In this water treatment plant में what we have to do, we have to purify our dirty water which we get from, firstly from which we taken out from lakes or rivers, and then that dirty water is then purified here in this water treatment plant and then supplied to the people who are living in cities. All right, so next topics which we have to go through in this chapter are water for travelers, water for plants, and methods of irrigation. Okay, let's stop here and we will continue with the other topics, these other small topics in our next lecture. Thank you.